Ojogwiye Ade Ojogwiye Ade Eze nwanyị Iyeji na eze nwoke Nchagbu ekele o. Aha. Inugo maka eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Arụsị eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Inugo maka eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Arụsị eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Mmụọ nwere ngabasị arụsị dị nnekwu eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu nwa karaka. Mmụọ nwere ngabasị arụsị dị nnekwu eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Eze nwanyị Iyeji eze nwoke Nchagbu arụsị dị nnekwu arụsị nwere nsọ arụsị na-achụ ndị amoosu arụsị na-eje ọrụ na-ejekwa igbo arụsị na-ebuli elu arụsị na-agba ọgụ ara na-azụ nwa oke mmụọ ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu oji eje ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu oji ala Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite Ugochi tubelu. Inugo maka eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Arụsị eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Inugo maka eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Arụsị eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Mmụọ nwere ngabasị arụsị dị nnekwu eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu nwa karaka. Mmụọ nwere ngabasị arụsị dị nnekwu eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Eze mmụọ Chukwu nọnyere m Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu gwara m eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu na-eme mma. Mmụọ na-azọ ndụ n'ọzọrọ ya ndụ oke mmụọ ọtụtụ na-abịa kụrụ mba m. Nne nwanyị Iyeji ogodo ọkwa gị na di gị Nchagbu na-ejekọ ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu ji eje ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu ji ala Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite Ugochi tubelu. Inugo maka eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Arụsị eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu. Inugo maka eze nwanyị Iyeji na Nchagbu.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite. Oraifite dị na Anambra State. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Rụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Egwu ị nụrụ taa, egwu anyị ji wee bata. Bụ egwu onye egwu Chinaza Adigbo nke ịma gụrụ mmụọ nọ na temple. Iyeji na Nchagbu arụsị na-achụ ndị amoosu. Egwu ọgụ maka ya bụ mmụọ na temple. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịdownload egwu a na-like ya, visit the social media platforms, iTunes and rest of them. Then chọọ egwu Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu ị ga-afịa na our platforms. Ya gazie. Isiokwu anyị ji bịa taa bụ all you need to know about ọdịnala. All you need to know about ọdịnala. That is our today's topic. If you pay attention into this topic, believe me, you will learn something that will change your life for good. Yes. You will learn something that will change your life for good. Yes. So let's proceed. Mana before I get n'iru, ọkwa dị mkpa echefuna na our monthly ritual is still ongoing, the month of November. You can still join anywhere you are under the sun. It is group rituals for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. We have lots of testimonies, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media. You know why? It's not necessary, it's not why we are here, but I can tell you we have lots of testimonies. This month is very unique because this month marks exactly 3 years we started it. This morning I have gone to the temple to make declarations upon the lives of those that join us, and upon the friends of the temple, children of the temple, and members of Odinana, Restoration Evangelical Mission, and our fans all over the globe. And we keep doing it on daily rituals and sacrifices till the last day of the month. We buy eatable things to visit the waters, to offer sacrifices and saraka. Then we proceed back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers in the temple. Then, we have lots of testimonies, believe in me. Say Sunday, so you know, there are various platforms. Yes. Also having a benefit in here. Now let's proceed. Because our today's topic will not be long, but if you pay attention, you will learn something that will change your life for good. Let's now continue. What I want to tell you today is all you need to know concerning odinana. So if you want to join us in today's lecture, if you want to join us in our monthly rituals, or you want to ask questions in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672, or 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. Let's now proceed. What is you need to know about odinana? That is today's topic. Yes, let's now proceed. Let me tell you this. I know this one and know this. Like I always tell you, what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. And I keep telling you that if you know, you become a master. If you don't know, you remain a slave. Let me explain this. I have been saying it all this while, but let me repeat it again. The calling for you to come back to your roots is not for you to get rich quick. It's not for you to get rich quick. You have to understand what odinana is all about. We ask you to come back to your roots in order to be at peace with your ancestors and ancestral forces. For you to have the inner peace. For you to be at peace on the same page with your spiritual forces. For you to understand the left and the right. So that you will never remain a slave. Because if you are knowledgeable, you become a master. But if you are not knowledgeable, you remain a slave. Why we ask you to come back to odinana is not for you to be billionaire. It's not for you to start driving Benz if you don't have what you are doing, or if you don't deserve it. Oba sinachi, ogaranya sinachi. Are you following? Oba sinachi, ogaranya sinachi. But what you have to do first is work hard on your own. Igbo spirituality does not promote laziness. No. It's not if you are lazy, you will be rich. No. That is not Igbo spirituality teaching. Odinana Igbo encourages and let you to understand is this. You must know this. Igbo believe in hard work. Igbo spirituality believes in hard work. Igbo spirituality believes na aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. If you really want to eat, you must work hard. Coming back to your root does not guarantee you to become a billionaire if you do not work for it. There is principle that governs this universe, and that principles you must follow it. If you want to be successful, you must apply the principles of success. That is the only way you can be successful. See, the worst thing somebody can do on earth is you keep doing the same thing over and over time and expect different results. It's not possible. There is time for you to learn the trade, learn the principles, learn all those things, and understand how to apply those principles, those knowledge, for you to be where you're supposed to be. Chukwu Okike put me here is not for the Christmas. That he will give you anything you like, and he did not deserve it. Whatever any man sow, so shall you reap. Whatever you sow, then you deserve it. Example, if you plant corn, you not nurture it, do all the needful. When time for harvesting your corn reach, nobody will stop you for harvesting your corn. But some people don't really understand what Igbo spirituality is all about. They are thinking that coming back to Odinana Igbo is for you to start driving Benz. Not true. Who told you that once you feed the achi, once you feed the achi, you become Dangote? Who told you? Who told you that if you feed your ancestors, you become like a billionaire? Who told you? That is not true. See, let me tell you why I will ask you to align with Yachi is one. You need to align yourself with your supernatural forces that follows you. You need to align yourself with supernatural forces that follows you, so that they will help you to build bridges. That is what we call personal relations. And I say, why I ask you to make peace with your chi, your spiritual forces, is for you and them to be on the same page, so that they will be your advocate. They will be interceding for you in the spiritual realm, so that in the spiritual realm you will not be like an orphan. Whenever your case file is called upon in the spiritual realm, you have entities or powers that will defend you. That is the simple, as simple as that. Because the spiritual control the physical. There is some certain inseke, and problems people normally put themselves in as a result of not doing the right thing. So why you connect yourself with your forces? Their duty is to be guiding you, my son, do this, do that, do this, do that, so that you will not fall into temptation or into something that will cost you fortunes. So you understand the purpose of aligning with your chi, aligning with your forces is for protection. Because they will be your third eyes in the spiritual realm, fighting your battle, protecting you. That this is our son, this is my son, this is my daughter, in whom I'm well placed. Nothing will happen to you. One thing I can assure you, if you come back to your roots, is protection. And that is the most important thing. Enabling environment. what our Obubando, the covenant our ancestors had with Umumu, the olden days ago, Ogorogondo that we seek a long life and prosperity. Ihe akwaku na ihe enwe bụ ihe kụtara onwe gị. Ihe akwaku. Ihe akwaku. You labor for it and hunt for it. Yes. Ihe enwe bụ ihe Chukwu nyere gị. Enwere ọmụmụ. Nwoke nwe ọmụmụ nwanyị. Enyere ya ihe awụ ya inheritance. Chukwu nyere ya. Kono chi na-enye nwa, chi na-enye everything. Mana akụ. Gụnwa ya akụ ya. Onye arụ na anya eri na. So ọgbụgba ndụ our forefathers had with Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile bụ ogologo ndụ and na-arụsi ike. That is why in Igbo culture, ọdịnala Igbo, we celebrate old age. In Igbo culture, we celebrate old age. That is why in different towns, a ga-asị gị na onye na-efe ana obodo dị etu a ma ọ bụ onye na-efe arụsị dị etu a ga-abụ the oldest person. So that ịnọzi na spiritual praise n'obodo dị etu a ma ọ bụ n'ihu mmụọ dị etu a, ọ ga na-enwetasị ụfọdụ gift ndị ka entitlement ya o ji ene onwe ya nka tiri obisi ya ndụ ya. Is like a blessing to him. Because ọdịnala Igbo recognize the fact that living long life is a blessing. So what am I saying in essence is this. Ọdịnala Igbo does not guarantee you that you will be like Dangote. No. However, if you are aligning yourself with your chi and listen to your chi and your ezumezu directives, they will definitely direct you to work hard. That no akajaja they put on they will always direct you to do that. If you are truly an Ejigbo Odinana Igbo, you must value the importance of hard working. Hard work pays. Let me tell you one thing. Forget about Nollywood. It's Nollywood that deceives most of you. I can tell you some of those things you are seeing in Nollywood is make-believe. It's just that is make-believe industry. So sometimes they will act what is not real. Imagination of the director or maybe the script writer. They wanted you to believe based on what people like. But I can tell you, if anybody tells you that you want to do charm, or there is a occult group you enter, you have this secret room where you will say, Ngozi Gego will be coming. It's a lie. Quote me anywhere. If anybody do magic money, that is not money. That is not legal tender. That is imaginary money. Why you know that thing is imaginary money is this? Why is it that the person will not be spending, as in be at home, be producing that imaginary money and be eating it? Why? Why is it that the person is forbidden from eating it? It's not real money. Let me tell you. Some of you, if you are going to Opi Weka or those of this big town, you will see some people that normally sell drugs, magical drugs. I will be telling you that they are selling ring, they are selling this one, they are selling invocation this one. Okay? Erigogi. They will be making some attractive moves to attract people. I remember when we are small, they will gather us maybe in a park. They will say abracadabra, abracadabra, say oi. Maybe they carry one sand, put in the plate, use okute, 2 stones, and before they do all their kabashi, they open the thing. You will see rice and meat. Okay? If such a thing is there, is happening, what stop the man from being in his house, using sand and stone, be producing food for his wife and his family? Huh? And why is it that he's not producing that food so that his wife will open a restaurant where they will be selling food without buying rice or condiments? Are you getting it? Yeah, the more you look, the less you see. Now, some of you will say, abracadabra, abracadabra. You bring one note. Say this note, you go and buy beer, go and buy, mention everything. You open a box, you will see those things. Those things are imagination. I have seen somebody that will use leave. After doing all the kabashing and the incantation that follows, before you know it, you open the book, you become money. All those things are not real money. I don't want to go too deep because you have not reached up to that level to know all those things. But I can tell you the imaginary money. If that person can use leaves to be producing naira, what stop the person from being at home and be doing it? Why is he just going in the market to look for real money? Why is it that the person, after doing a abracadabra, will ask you to buy a ring or buy this book or buy this one, you see sell those things for you to earn legitimate money? Have sense. That is not ordinary. So if you are one of those people that normally go for magic, you are not into ordinary. You know that some of these things are magic. Like Antazia you were welcome, let me tell you. Some of these people here have no Hebrew kata. Hebrew kata. Asina by the Emily, in a quaka, Oga, you are novice. Nkata Efro. Emily, the more you look, the less you see. Emily Hapara, Manayamunkata. When a line on cover, buy a double. Buy a double. Or for the Tessiland gum. But most of the time, you have a chicken nylon. Put a nylon or buy a double. But don't the other one name me. Then you buy aqua. More aqua red, more aqua black. To seal a banwa, you see every nylon ended. Or one year in our money. Oga, oh, don't want you my name, but I've been at my house. Morguma, oh, no, put that. You are wearing needle, or wearing ma. Do only me that kata. I want a million with it. I told me a month. I'm not going to be you. That thing is just the more you look, the less you see. You have simple magic. So don't be seeing it as if you only marry no more with the hand. I'm not going to have the more you look, the less you see. You know what I mean? Isn't that abroad? Here abroad now with the Igbo spirituality we are talking about. Some people, because you don't understand how things work, you go somebody that says they are a mellow ogu, you want to hear now. So you believe that money will from up fall, or maybe they give you a magical box that you will go and be getting money. Who does that? If that person he can have the ability to be opening box and the money will be there, why is it the person is laboring? Even you know that he suffer, you suffer even if you are doing spiritual work, because you can sit down for hours. If the person have the ability, what stop the person from being inside the room and producing money? It doesn't work that way. Get receive sense. That is not Igbo spirituality. You are promoting charm. You believe that charm will do everything. You have limitations. Now, even if somebody decides to do whatever charm to you, you don't have shop, you don't have what you are doing, you don't have what you are selling. Okay, assuming that even the charm bring customer, will what the person buy in order for you to earn? The person will buy empty counter. The person will buy, you are not selling anything. It's not how it works. Okay, you are advising, you say that you go and buy, do charm, thinking that you will convince somebody to give you a contract, but you are not knowledgeable. You don't even know the contract. Even if the person want to interview you to be sure that you are an expert in this particular field, you fail. How can you make money? It's only professionals that make money. You must have something you are doing. Either you provide services or you sell items, sell goods. Receive sense, so that somebody will not be deceiving you because you don't understand. Because you believe that you so much believe that charms and magic can do some certain things. Because you don't understand how things work. That's why you are being deceived. So if somebody now tell you that charm can make somebody that is already died, you pass on, and the spiritual umbilical cord had been severed, the person is already in the mortuary, and somebody is telling you that he can do something for the person to wake up, you agree. Because such a thing can never happen, because he have already passed beyond any reasonable doubt that it will work. If somebody passed on now and the spiritual umbilical cord has not been severed, it's very possible that the person can come back to life. That is why if in Mbeburubo mmadụ nwụọ kubie ume a na-ebu ụzọ hapụ onye anwa, gbasa onye a na bed, hapụ onye anwa, ụfọdụ na hapụ ya till a day or 2 days, or if the person did not come back before I confirm na onye anwụrụ. Maka onwe onye ya bụ ọ nọcha after 24 hours o chigata sneeze chigata back, we can akọzi experiences here. So ọ bụrụ na that particular time onye anwa ekubigo ume, make some rituals. And when some rituals he game perform more, then plead there for his mercy, for his coming back. Then if in the spiritual realm the judges find it you are pleading worthy, they can grant mercy and ask the person to come back. That is the only way he can intervene. But once the spiritual umbilical cord has been severe, the person can never come back. If anybody asks you to do charm or bring money to bring the person down, it can never work. That be scam. So, here in them with laws and rules. Yes, and with process. Some of you are believing that charm can do undoable. No, it's not possible. And with here charm here, and then with limitation. Yes, because those people don't understand how things work. That is why some of you will believe that you work carefully me here. Guys, it's telling you on one who are a boy or point there on. It doesn't pass through logic, because if Chukwuokike really want to forgive anybody that offend him, he cannot forgive anybody that offend him without putting his son to pass through death and die. So sometimes people believe what is not reasonable. So Igbo spirituality or the Igbo believe what is logical. Charms, making charms is a different thing altogether. Making charms is a different thing altogether. It's like it's under magic. But Igbo spirituality is that man that understands the principles of Nswan. He must be able to keep the natural laws, keep law of karma, because Igbo spirituality is embedded in Ofonogu. You must believe that whatever you sow, what you reap. Galatians 6:7, and I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow, so shall you reap. That Igbo spirituality believe that puro onye kụrụ ka ọ ga-akọ. Ọ bụrụ ịrụ ọrụ na ajọ host, ijeri ụgwọ ọrụ na Julius Berger. Who does that? So Igbo spirituality believe that if you do good, you reap goodies. So Igbo spirituality believe on ọfọdụ onye megide na nwanne ya. Egbe belu ugobelu, kesi ibe ebe na gosi ebe ọ ga-ebe. Igbo spirituality believe that whatever you sow, so shall you reap. So Igbo spirituality is that man in the village that knows that this is a forbidden act in our town. Ihe abụọ alụ ndị nna nna anyị ha kwuru na ihe onye ọbụla bụ nwa the son of the son mere ihe na-etu a anatụ ya anajide ya. So if ọ bụrụ na ịbụ nwa ana ịmarugo na ị ga-asọ ihe niile ana na-asọ nsọ, any formidable abomination, any abomination, you must run away from it, because there is severe consequence. Those things are big abomination because your ancestors declare so. There is a reason why those things are in your town. Because your ancestors proclaim that this is alo, and they say so shall it be. The same thing with the law of the nation. What is a law in Nigeria might not be a law in South Africa. Whatever your town say, this is an abominable act. Whoever that does this will go down for it. Keep it. Okay, let me tell you what will shock you. Do you know that Igbo language, Igbo odinana, there is a day for everything. Just know the day your people perform some certain things. As long as you want to do that thing in their land there, you must obey the law. Let me give you an example. In Orifite, my own town, if we must call the the Agu spirit of our town to bear witness and witness your Agu installation, it must be done in a Kede. Are you following? It must be done in a Kede. It must be done in a Kede. Now, do you know our neighboring town called Oba? Our neighboring town called Oba. Now, if they want to do Agu for you, if they must do it on a day. So, as long as that particular installation or particular work will be done in your own land, that particular you must align and align yourself with the laws of the town. So, example, if you want me to pacify your Agu, maybe Wapro Hut from my own temple, yes, I can do it based on the days we work in my temple. But if that particular feeding that Yahoo must be done on your father's land, your town, it's better you do it the day you people are doing the same out. Are you following? Now, Uncle the number there and Macadon will hear the bonus you will select that particular day. Well, one who consider to a Kaiwo over there to a getting and be here to a TD off. Let me tell you that will shock you. Do you know there is a certain days our people make anything concerning marriage? Do you think that marriage talk and a cook wine? You want to come and marry somebody from somebody's town? Do you think that is any day you want? You don't know. I know two of you don't know. Even I buy or if yes, in one map of them. Yes, Makana Mbanas no. Yes, what I said of one Manachi no Manako or roof. What I want to tell you that in our own town or if there, if you want to get married tomorrow, the elders will check their calendar to ensure that daily dates you are picking does not fall on Eke market day. It must not fall on Eke market day. At least Eke market day is almost like general in Igbo land. However, in my own town, I and Obosenkwa. Afoneke ayejire ekwoku nwa. Amara nko si do obodo. But I can tell you, na enwere obosi o ya bụ ị na-abịa na be mmadụ ebe ịnụ nwaanyị. Ọ sị gị ka ị bịakwa. O put o call ma o check na calendar. Ọ sị gị o nye gị date. Date ọ ga-enye gị ọ ga-avoid riri eke. O nwere ihe na-aghọta. Amara some of you amara. Take this one ọ bụrụ ihe mụtata. Ana m achị gwa gị na enwe obosi eji eme ihe ọbụla. Maka na ọ nwere obodo ụfọdụ ọ ga-abụ iji agwa gị na onwe obosi ejiri akwa ozu. Onwe obodo ya sị na abụsị nkwọ na ha ejiri akwa ozu na befa. Ọ bụrụ etu ahụ. Ihe ọbụla ndị kwekọrịta si na-etu aka ọ ya adịrị befa ọ dịrị etu ahụ. So Igbo spirituality ọdịnala Igbo nwere nsọ what you are forbidden that you must never do. If you're a man, you are forbidden from sleeping with your father's wife. The taboo. Yes. If your father is maybe marrying more than one wife, maybe the younger wife of your father is a taboo as a son will not. And one also this teacher. Your cousins, nephew, what I call it cousin, calling nephew, no. Those are people are aligned. They are forbidden. One negi that is alive, you are forbidden. Unless man was any special arrangement. Are you getting me? Unless if there's any special arrangement. Maybe if that your brother is not man enough. And from his heart, he arranged it and gave you total permission. But doing it from his back is a taboo. And so on and so forth. So, no, those Igbo spirituality or the Nani Igbo is to provide harmony in the entire system. So that there will be harmony between man and woman. So there's total harmony in the society and how things work in the community. So Igbo spirituality is to encourage happy living and living in harmony. So Igbo spirituality does not encourage you living anyhow you want it. No this one, no this. Igbo spirituality does not support promiscuity. Odinana Igbo does not support promiscuity. Even if you want to put another one as a side chick, and will process. Yes, and will process. And the people, 1 or 2 people must be there when that pronouncement and act will be performed, so that you have now free access to that woman. It's not jumping from one person to another, one person to another, and to another, whether you are a man or woman. It's not what Igbo spirituality asks you to do. Yes. And in one song, Igbo spirituality was no song. You must be principled. You must have those things that you do and don'ts. Let me use myself as an example. Eze-Ana there was some certain things that ordinary person and Ofeke can do. Yes, and I can never do it. There were so many things. But I don't want to give you one instance. One of the instances is that, look, as a stand now, and one only when he came, no young Abiana, my temple, can roll you all for any reason. Then, Munoya and anything to do. As no one. And when anything to do as intimate wise, never. Now, only when he came here, my temple now, for me, in one of these in game, car, Njekuan Yobuna, Abro, my wife. Abuna with the reason. Patarona, Jepunyama, Mobnega, and Nunyama. My husband must be contacted. Here, what? So reason why you want to get an assistant for your wife. And if they approve it, are you following? You must tell them reason and wait for them to approve it. Or even if you want to marry, they will approve it. It's not just on the chop. It's not just maybe you see this one, a lady today. And even a jam another person, you switch next morning, jam no. Who does that? Because once you are keeping all these laws, it helps you to grow spiritually. So Igbo spirituality is all about say what you know and keep those rules. Because fasting helps to elevate your spiritual self. So is very important. So odinana gabuni gaburidoni na debe nso odinana okutoroku. That is ihe dị n'ana develop in existence. So we must be able to do it. And the song fan abuna he get those things are people normally know as 10 commandments. Iwu okutoroku ihe obodo jide. So odinana Igbo is not all about come back to your roots to become Dangote. No. Come back to your roots and make peace with your chi and your age. Then be industrious, work hard. Now, if to have a komuba is in your character, they will help you to achieve all that. But why I ask you to make peace with your chi is that they will always protect you. If anybody want to do you evil, they will say, no, this is our own. Then concerning akomuba, you labor for it. So, but what I can tell you that if you come back to your root and align yourself with your spiritual forces, you'll be protected. Protection is guaranteed. Because Dibia now go to Ikiadron and Dibia Goronyabo Nazukuna. And only I say, Caucasia spell on you, Nazukuna. And again, Anadinama. In a source, and get another man, I cannot walk. Now, call you up and I make it again. Mother Jogoro all John make it again. I say, no, it will not work. Macanonia Boninka. So what ordinary Igbo can guarantee you is protection. That's the ekwu a n'aka gị ọtọ ghara imegide mmadụ na mmadụ megide gị na ọ ma aba maka na gị na ụmụ mmụọ ndị na-agagharị na-eme mma ndị na-eje ozi dị na mma, so they will always protect you. Then concerning goodies and the protection and money depends on how you work hard. Then ị workcha hard ọ dị n'akara aka gị na ọ bụ ihe dị n'iyi ụwa gị na ị ga-adị ya wee billionaire, believe in me, nobody will stop you. Mana ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ n'iyi ụwa gị na ị ga-wee billionaire, one thing I can assure you na ihe ị ga-eri gị na ezinụlọ ga-eri ama akọ gị, mana ị nwere ike ya wụzi billionaire. Ọ ihe ọdịnala Igbo guarantees. Ọ bụrụ ife ị ga-anachi gị then ị chọwazie ka ị nwee 10 billion naira, ọ bụrụ anya aba nnukwu anya ọba nnukwu, but gị na chi gị dị na mma ka ha na-protect gị ihe wee gaziere gị. Ka m kwụsị ebe a. Inwe ajụjụ na nkụzi a maọbụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa miri emi, send message to me on WhatsApp 080578376672. I repeat 080578376672 or 0813824381. I repeat 0813824381. See you tomorrow n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Ọ bụrụ na ọnwa egburu eji wee chụọ emechaa na oyi eme. May the blessing of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile be with us. May the work of our hands begin to yield fruit. May we be favored. May we be protected. N'aha Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya gazie. Emesịa.